Ever feel like you're living a double life? You've got a love for coding on one side, and an obsession with biology on the other. What if I told you there's a way to combine both? Welcome to Bioinformatics, the place where computers meet cells, and coding meets DNA. If you're a techie with a soft spot for science, this could be the ultimate mix for you. So, what's bioinformatics all about? Imagine a world where we decode life itself using the power of data. We take biology, the study of all things living, and blend it with computer science to analyze things like genes, proteins, and cells. In bioinformatics, computers help us understand complex biological systems, answer questions about health, and even find clues to fight diseases. It's like being a detective, but for DNA. Why bioinformatics is so important? Let's get real, bioinformatics is a big deal. Remember when discovering new genes or studying diseases used to take ages in a lab? Now, with bioinformatics, we can crunch massive amounts of biological data from all around the world, all from a computer. Imagine uncovering clues about cancer, mapping virus spread, or predicting how a drug will work, all thanks to bioinformatics. It speeds up discoveries, gives us superpowers in understanding life, and opens doors to research that was once unimaginable. Bioinformatics, the science detective work. Bioinformatics is like being a detective on a case, except, instead of solving crimes, you're uncovering the secrets of life itself. Imagine you're examining clues left behind in DNA, tracking down the culprits of diseases, or piecing together genetic evidence to understand how viruses spread. In this field, every gene, protein, or cell is a potential clue that brings us closer to solving big biological mysteries. Why study bioinformatics? Think about it, bioinformatics is one of the most thrilling science jobs out there. It's like being Sherlock Holmes, but instead of tracking down criminals, you're tracking down the mysteries hidden within our cells. If you love both coding and biology, this is where the action is. Imagine a career where every line of code helps crack the case on diseases, drug effectiveness, or even how life functions at the smallest levels. It's meaningful detective work, and the world needs more bioinformatician detectives. How R helps with bioinformatics? Now, if you're wondering how all this biology data gets analyzed, let me introduce you to R as a programming language that's perfect for data crunching. Bioinformaticians love it because it's got tons of packages, think of them as tools, that make it easy to analyze biological data. It's like having a supercharged calculator specifically for scientific data. With R, bioinformaticians can uncover the secrets hidden in genes, proteins, and entire genomes. What bioinformaticians do all day. So, what's a day in the life of a bioinformatician like? Picture this. You're working with datasets of genes or patient information, hunting for clues in biological data. One day you might be analyzing the genetic makeup of a virus. The next, you could be studying which genes are activated in a disease. Bioinformatics is like solving a scientific mystery, where every line of code brings you closer to the answer. And each project could make a real difference in health and science. Why visualization is key in bioinformatics? When it comes to complex data, sometimes the best way to understand is by visualizing it. Bioinformatics relies on charts, graphs, and data plots to make sense of what's going on in our cells. R, the programming language we mentioned, is brilliant at making visualizations that bring biology to life. Whether you're tracking virus spread, looking at gene activity, or comparing protein structures, visualization makes it all click. The bioinformatics community. And here's the best part, bioinformatics is a team sport. There's a huge community of bioinformaticians, researchers, and scientists who are all passionate about exploring biology through data. They share resources, tips, tools, and discoveries, so you're never alone on this journey. It's a field where collaboration is key, and there's always someone ready to help you learn or solve a tricky problem. So there you have it. If you love both biology and coding, bioinformatics might just be the perfect fit for you. It's a field where your programming skills can unlock the secrets of life itself, and each day brings new mysteries to solve. Thanks for watching. If you're curious to learn more, don't forget to subscribe. Let's decode the mysteries of life together.